Hello, guys. We're back again. We're looking at DOK levels 1 to 4 in our second lesson. And when it comes to level 1, we're going to look at the context of the level. So I have my materials here. So the level 1 question says that a fishing cooperative records three types of equipment. So the fishing cooperative records three types of equipment. And they are nets, and then lines and traps. Nets, lines, and traps. The universal set is the universal set that we're dealing with encompasses nets, lines, traps, boats, and hooks. Nets, lines, traps, boats, and hooks. So nets, lines, traps, boats, and hooks. So the question is, list the elements of the complement of n. So we want the elements of n complement. What are they? So to say elements of n complement, list the elements of the complement of n, which is written as n complement. Level 2 in a coastal fishing community. So let's go to level 2. So this is level 1. So let's come to level 2. Let's go on to level 2. In a coastal fishing community, set A has fishers who use nets. They are Kwame, Ama, Kofi, Abna. So fishers who use nets are Kwame, Ama, Kofi, Abna. So Kwame, Ama, Kofi, Abna. They use nets. We have set B. So this is A. Set B. Those fishers who use lines. Fishers who use lines. And they are Kofi, Abna, Ya. So they have a Kofi, Abna, and Ya. Kofi, Abna, Ya. And then we have Kwame, Ama, Kofi, Abna to begin with. Let's check out DOK level 3, which has its own context. So this is level 2. So let's go on to level 3. So DOK level 3, a fishing cooperative surveyed 50 fishers about their equipment preferences. 30 fishers, so they surveyed 50 fishers about their equipment preferences. 30 fishers prefer using nets. 30 prefer using nets. Also, 25 fishers prefer using lines. 25 prefer using lines. 25 fishers prefer using lines. 12 fishers prefer using both nets and lines. So we have 12, both nets and lines. So use a Venn diagram. Using a Venn diagram A, how many fishers prefer only nets? How many fishers prefer only lines? And explain why the total of only nets plus only lines plus both does not equal 50. These are interesting questions to think about. So finally, we have DOK level 4. DOK level 4. So in level 4, your fishing cooperative wants to create a marketing strategy. They have surveyed 100 fishers about 3 types of equipment. They have surveyed 100 fishes about 3 types of equipment. So the survey was around 100 fishes on 3 types of equipment. 60 use nets, 60 of them use nets. You have 50 use lines, 50 use lines. You have 40 use traps, 40 use traps, 30 use nets and lines. So 30 use nets and lines. Thirty use nets and lines. 20 use nets and traps. So we have 20 use nets and traps. 15 use lines and traps. 15 use lines and traps. 15 of them use lines and traps. And 10 use all 3 types. And we have 10 use all nets, lines, traps. 10 use all 3 types. So the question is, draw a 3-set Venn diagram and label all the regions with the number of fishes. Now, how many fishes use only nets, not lines or traps? How many fishes use at least 2 types of equipment? And based on your analysis, which equipment should the cooperative prioritize for marketing? Justify your answer using data. So these are the 4 levels of difficulty that we've just considered for the first, second, third, and fourth. And through your considerations, let's share your answers in class. Just remember, you can create your own tokens and run similar thoughts on it and see what solutions come up. Thank you for your attention. BHM Puzzles. Think like an AI.